Hey friends, welcome back again. Today we have an exponential problem and it is 3 raised to the power x plus 3 raised to the power x and that is equal to 5. Then we'll have to find the value of x. So friend, do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe our channel. Now for solving this, to make this expression simpler, we can take out 3 powered by x common out. So from here we'll take 3 powered by x common. So the remaining here will be 1 and here plus 1. And in the right hand side we have 5. So now this value will be 2. So it is 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power x, that is equal to 5. Now for solving this polynomial, we'll divide both sides by 2. Then in the left hand side we'll have 3 raised to the power x and in the right hand side we'll have 5 divided by 2. So now for solving this type of problem, we take log. We'll take log both sides with base 10. So in the left hand side we'll write log 3 powered by x and here we'll take base 10. So in the right hand side also it is log 5 divided by 2 and we'll base 10. Now we'll recall some identities of log. Now the first is log with base b and it is m powered by n, and the formula of it is we write n in the front. So we write n log base b and m. And now the multiplication, if we have log with base b m multiplied by n, then we write this expression as log base b m plus log b n. Here we write the base same and we add the powers. So we write as log b m plus log b n. Now here the formula of multiplication, now the formula of division. Now the formula of division, that is log b m divided by n. For that we write log with base b m minus log base b n. So here we subtract the values. So for now, what are the things to be kept in mind before using this type of formula? Now for the value of b, the value of b should be greater than 0 and it should not be equal to 1. So it should not be equal to 1. And now the value of m and n. So here m and n should be any positive real numbers. Then only we'll use this type of formulas. Now let us move and solve this problem. So here we'll write x in front. So we'll write x log 3 base 10, and in the right hand side we'll subtract. Here we subtract the division value. So we'll write log 5 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. Now from here for calculation the value of x, we'll divide both sides by log 3 base 10. So the value of left hand side will be x and in the right hand side we'll divide both the values by log 3 base 10, means it is log 5 10 minus log 2 base 10 and we'll divide by the left hand side value, it is log 3 base 10. Now for further solutions we'll use the calculator for solving this problem, and the value of x will be, now the value of log 5 base 10 value is 0.6990. It is approximate value of log 5 and here it is minus now the value of log 2 and log 2 value is 0.303010. These are the values of log 5 and log 2 and we have used the calculator. Now the value of log 3, so the value of log 3 is 0.4771. Now we'll simplify it. So the value of x will be 0.398 in the numerator and in the denominator we have 0.4771. And now if we calculate, the value of x will be 0.8342. This is the value of x we have calculated here. Now we'll check the value of x is satisfying this expression or not. Now for checking and satisfying the value of x, we'll put the value of x over here. So it is 3 powered by x plus 3 powered by x, that is equal to 5. Now in place of x we'll write 0.8342. So it is 3 powered by 0.8342 plus here again 3 powered by 0.8342, that's equal to 5. Now again we'll use the calculator and we'll calculate the value of 3 powered by 0.8342. If we'll use the calculator, then the value of this term will be 2.500, and this value is same, so the value of this term also will be 2.500, and that is equal to 5. Now here 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5.00, and that is equal to 5. So here left hand side and right hand side is equal, so the value of x, that is 0.8342, is satisfying this expression. So this is our answer. So friends, these are the steps for solving this type of problems. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video friends, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.